Hello and welcome to our channel, Two Coffees to Go. I am Kush.
I'm Darshita.
So today we'll take you through 20 interesting facts about UAE. Many of you would have already visited the country and many of you are planning to come here as your next vacation destination. So there are some facts which are worth considering before coming here. So let's dive right into it.
So, fact number 1. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. It is consisting of 7 Emirates: Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah and Al Quwain. UAE shares its border with Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Oman, and on the two other sides there is Arabian Sea.
So fact number 2. Unlike popular belief, Dubai is not the capital of UAE. It's Abu Dhabi. Dubai is considered to be the financial capital of UAE.
Fact number 3. Abu Dhabi is the biggest emirate in UAE and the smallest emirate is Ajman.
So fact number 4. The official currency of UAE is called Emirati Dirham or just dirhams. It is officially abbreviated as AED. So you get various currency notes as 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 1000 dirhams. And 1 dirham is equals to 100 fils. And you can get coins of 5, 10, 25, 50 fils and 1 dirham. So it is interesting to know that in many hypermarkets, stores and malls across UAE, mainly in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, other currency notes like dollars and euros are easily accepted, sometimes with a very good exchange rate.
Fact number 5. As of 2020, UAE has 9.9 million people living in the country, 84% of which is urban population. It is interesting to know that the population has increased multifold since last 20 years. It was just 3.1 million in 2000s. This is mainly due to the expatriate population that came into the country. Also, UAE is one of the most diverse countries in the world, with around 12% of population is locals, Emirati people, and rest 88% are from expatriates. That includes over 200 nationalities from different countries around the world.
So fact number 6. Official language of UAE is Arabic. But due to extreme diversity, languages like Hindi, Urdu, Nepali, Farsi, Filipino and so many other languages are widely spoken. It is quite common for people to know more than 3 languages here.
Fact number 7. You can experience all 4 seasons in UAE. Well, it is kind of understood if you are in Middle East, there will be extreme heat. But that's not throughout the year. It's true, the summers are harsh. It goes up to 50 degrees Celsius with high humidity levels, but that is during the peak of summers, which is from June till September.
However, UAE has rather pleasant winter season, starting from November till as late as April, which is also a tourist season here.
And it rains here as well. For past few years, UAE has been successfully doing cloud seeding, which in simple terms means sprinkling of natural salts on already existing clouds to create artificial rain. These are done by special aircrafts.
Yes, and that results in amazing weather. So we'll show some pictures here, and yes, the results are fantastic. So fact number 8. Unlike popular belief, UAE is not a conservative nation. Many people are under the impression that UAE would have so many restrictions, especially for women, but that's completely not true. Yes, in certain public places as well as cultural centers and places of worship, you have to dress respectfully, keeping in mind the local culture.
That's actually throughout anywhere in the world you go. That's not just for this region.
So what we're trying to say is definitely you can wear whatever you like and whatever you're comfortable with, but it's always good to appreciate local culture and respect them and dress accordingly.
Fact number 9. There are no rivers in UAE. Yes, there are no permanent rivers in UAE. However, there are many natural as well as man-made lakes in UAE. So you can go for a bike ride, camping, anytime. And also, there are a lot of public beaches which are scattered across all the Emirates in UAE. So, beach people, you are sorted. Don't worry about that.
Okay, so fact number 10, there is no income tax here. So many of you would already be aware of this fact that there is no income tax here, but that doesn't mean that there is no tax at all. There is a VAT, which is value added tax, which is applicable on all your transaction irrespective of the value. So when if you are making a spend of 1 dirham or 1 million dirham, you have to pay flat rate of 5% VAT.
This also means that your luxury goods are also taxed at the same rate. So in other countries there is something called luxury tax, or any luxury goods are taxed at a higher rate. But here it's flat, 5% for everything you buy.
Yes, that's correct. So if you are a tourist, the VAT which you have paid throughout your trip, you can get it refunded at the airport or in many of the malls through VAT refund kiosks. We'll make a separate video about the detailed process and how you can save some money. But for now, remember that you can get your VAT refunded
if you are a tourist.
So let's move on.
Fact number 11. Dubai has world's longest driverless metro system. So in 2012, Dubai Metro created a world record of being world's longest driverless metro network, which was having total route of 75 kilometers and 2 metro lines, red and green. This record was surpassed by Vancouver SkyTrain and Singapore Metro
in 2016. Yes.
But still, with total length of 52 kilometers and 29 stations, Red Line of Dubai Metro still remains the world's longest single metro line, which is driverless. So when you are here, do travel in metro. It's very convenient and good connectivity also to your hotels are there. So don't miss it.
Fact number 12. UAE has total 6 different airlines operating out of total 4 Emirates. 2 luxury airlines which is operated out of UAE are Etihad Airways, which is operated out of Abu Dhabi, and Emirates Airways, which is operated out of Dubai. These two are one of the most prestigious airlines all over the world and also the largest in Middle East. They are connecting more than 80 countries all over the world and connecting more than 155 cities. Other 4 airlines which are also considered low cost, they are Fly Dubai, Air Arabia Abu Dhabi, and Wizz Air.
Fact 13. Dubai has the world's busiest airport in terms of international passengers for consecutive 6 years. Dubai International Airport, also known as DXP, operates over 100 airlines and 260 destinations across the world.
So it has total 3 terminals, T1, 2 and 3. Out of that, T1 and T3 are connected by Dubai Metro's Red Line.
In year 2019, it handled around 86.4 million international passengers. Though 2020 has been slow and we've seen restricted international travel, but figures are yet to come out, and hopefully once the pandemic is over, this sector will open up and international travelers will be back to Dubai.
Fact 14. World's first 7-star hotel is in Dubai. Burj Al Arab is world's first 7-star hotel, debatably, because officially there is nothing called 7-star rating. Official rating goes up to 5-star only. But when Burj Al Arab was about to get inaugurated, it was considered to be the benchmark for how the 7-star hotel would look like. So since then it is called a 7-star hotel all across the world. Debatably, there are more than 7 to 8 different 7-star hotels all across the globe. One of them being in Abu Dhabi itself, it is the Emirates Palace.
Fact number 15. World's largest hand-woven carpet is in UAE. Of course, UAE has made so many world records, but few of them are quite unique. Sheikh Zayed Mosque, also known as the Grand Mosque, located in Abu Dhabi, has the largest hand-woven carpet in the world. The area of this carpet is 5,627 square meters, which is over 60,500 square feet, and it weighs 35 tons, and it took 2 years to complete it. The Grand Mosque is a must-visit place in UAE. We would make another video explaining about facts and interesting things about the mosque. Put it on your bucket list when you come here.
Fact 16. UAE is one of the safest countries in the world. Yes, you might be knowing this already, but you won't realize how awesome this is unless you visit this country or stay here. All over the country, you will have immense sense of security and safety. And be it as a visitor or a woman or a child or an elderly person, you are completely safe and you will feel that from the day one. People are extremely helpful as well, especially when you are a visitor, and that includes local police as well.
Also, public transport and taxis are very safe here. Every taxi is fitted with CCTV camera, mic and GPS and are monitored continuously. So in case you lose your phone or any belongings in the taxi, be assured you'll get it back. Not that we are asking you to be negligent.
What we are saying is your belongings and yourself are completely safe here, and we are telling this by our personal experience. Also, we would recommend you to take local taxis, and Kareem, which is also a local taxi here, don't take Uber because local taxis are way much cheaper and very
easily available.
Conveniently available, definitely. So we recommend that.
Fact number 17. Liquor restrictions and party culture in UAE. So considering the fact that UAE is in the Middle East, one would assume that there are a lot of restrictions against parties and alcohol consumption, but that's far from the fact. UAE, especially Dubai, has one of the best restaurants to dine in and pubs to party at, which serve shisha as well as alcohol sometimes till late in the night. So there are no such restrictions that would hamper in your enjoyment. In fact, there are dedicated places where you can actually buy liquor as well.
And you will realize this as soon as you land in Abu Dhabi airport as well as Dubai airport. They have amazing collection of liquor in their duty-free areas. So do check that out when you are landing here.
And also there are strict rules and regulations against drinking and driving. So which is more to do with the safety rather than the culture or the country.
And beware, the penalties are very severe. So please don't do that here. Fact number 18. This place is suitable for vegetarians. This truly applies to us as vegetarians who have survived here for more than 5 years. Against the common belief, you have tons and tons of vegetarian options here. In some of the restaurants, you are pure vegetarian as well. So getting vegetarian food is not a problem in UAE at all. In UAE, the overall food quality as well as hygiene is extremely good. Also, you would be surprised to know that many of the Arabic cuisines, they have amazing vegetarian options like falafel, hummus, za'atar, to name a few. Do check them out. Do enjoy them when you are here.
Fact number 19. Work week starts on a Sunday. Yes. So there are no Monday blues. There are Sunday blues to start off in Middle East. So usually if you are working on a 5-day work schedule, then it will be from Sunday to Thursday, with Friday, Saturday being your weekend. It's slightly awkward in the beginning, but once you get used to it, it's not that bad.
So fact number 20. World's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, is in Dubai.
It is one of the top 5 most Instagram buildings in the world. So you can imagine how iconic this tower is. Be it any occasion, any festival of any country, Burj Khalifa has something in store for it on that day.
Burj Khalifa has residences, it has hotels, restaurants and viewing decks. But that's not it. Burj Khalifa is located in Dubai Mall, which is world's largest retail mall.
It has 1400 retail shops, and you name any luxury brand in the world, you'll find it in Dubai Mall.
Dubai Mall is massive. You can't imagine the scale of it. So we have decided to make a separate video on that.
It's huge. Like, even for us, whenever we go, we just take one section of Dubai Mall and we get tired. So we will make a separate video, tell you what to do and what not to do while going to Dubai Mall. So you make the best use of your time there. So to wrap up this video, UAE is an amazing country to live and explore. We are going to take you through all these places that we talked about today in the video, as well as many more that are here to see during our channel. Hope you liked it and visit yourself this country sometime soon. Till then, be with us and enjoy.
Stay happy and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.